If there were no words, no way to speak, I would still hear you. If there were no tears, no way to feel inside, I'd still feel for you. And even if the sun refused to shine, even if the songs run out of rhyme, you would still love my heart until the end of time. You're all I want, my love, my precious.